What kind of books should you create now for quarter 4? Let's have a quick update on the quarter 4 challenge. Hello home bosses, my name is Nuria from thehomeboss.com. Welcome to my channel, which is all about helping you to make money online. And in today's video, I want to update you on the quarter 4 challenge. If you watched my last video, you would have seen the quarter 4 challenge for low content books. And today I want to go into a little bit about what kind of books we can create for quarter 4. The way to enter the challenge was to comment underneath my last video just to say I'm in or I accept the challenge. And then I will pick 3 random winners on the 30th of September, that's when the challenge ends, and 3 people will win all my 3 courses, the Children's Book Creator course, the Mockup Creator and the Printables mini course. So there will be 3 lucky winners on the 30th of September and I'll announce them in my video on the 2nd of October. The reason for the challenge is because I really want you to be motivated and inspired and have a really good quarter 4 this year, because creating books on KDP was a life changer for me and I want that to be the case for you. I want to show people that you can create books and sell them on Amazon KDP. It's not easy, but it's possible, and in my videos I show you what can be possible by creating low content books and other types of online income. And I hope you feel motivated to do this now, because quarter 4 is one of the best times of the year to sell products online, and it's no different for low content books. It's the best time of year for selling your books. So I was really overwhelmed with the response to the challenge. I looked at all the messages that you all left under the video. I've read every single one of them and they're just absolutely amazing. I'm reading them now. And just to give you a few examples, Anna said, I'm in. I have been procrastinating completing my first low content book. I keep watching videos but not taking actual action. Thank you for the push and incentive to try. I definitely needed it. And I think this one is a really good example of why I did this challenge, because sometimes we just need that little bit of a push to get started. I know there are different types of problems people can have. If you're a beginner, sometimes it can be very scary to just start and to publish your first book. But even for more advanced people, sometimes you just run out of steam and you just don't know what to create next. But all of your comments have been amazing and everybody is just really motivated. I love that. And please do motivate each other as well when you read everybody's comments. Please leave a comment on somebody else's comment. That would be really nice. If something resonates with you, if you read a comment and you think, yes, that's me, let them know. Just talk amongst yourselves as well. Let's make this a community rather than me just talking to you. Let's all talk to each other. And all of your comments have been very motivational for me as well, because I really want to help you create a really good quarter 4. And this week, what I want you to do is I want you to comment underneath this video and tell me what your problems are. What kind of problems are you facing to create your first book, for example? Or if you're more advanced, what kind of problems are you facing right now? I probably can't answer all of your questions, but if you can write them down under this video so that I can take a look and then I can make my videos more helpful for you. I can see what kind of problems you're facing. Sometimes it can be something simple like making your first sale. If you haven't made your first sale, it can really demotivate you and you just need to get that first sale to show you that this can work. Another very common problem is people not starting. If you have never created a book before, then of course it's quite daunting and it can be overwhelming, but you just need to get started. Always remember that done is better than perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you have to get it done. Taking action is the most important thing in this business, because when you take action and you do it consistently, you will see results in the end. It might be a small result, but if you keep doing it and you keep practicing, eventually you will get there. And like I said many times before, this isn't easy. You have to put in a lot of work, but if you're willing to do that, then you can definitely succeed if you want to. This may not be for everybody. If you don't enjoy the process, then I would say it's not the best business to start, because you have to really enjoy it, because you have to put in a lot of work and spend a lot of hours before you see a result. But if you're willing to do that, then I would say give this a try, because it's a very enjoyable and creative process. Sometimes what can stop us as well is not finding a niche, not knowing what to create next. And for that problem, I do have a solution for you today, because I want to show you something that I made that you can download for free that will help you with your niche ideas, with creating your books. So I've created a marketing calendar. Some of you might have already seen it. Last year I had it on my website, but I've really improved it this year. I've added lots more information. I've added tips on what kind of books to make based on this marketing calendar. And basically the marketing calendar is all about the different holidays that you have throughout the year. Christmas, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day. But there are actually very funny days as well, sometimes in between. I'm not quite sure what today is. Let me check quickly. So I'm making this video on the 28th of August, and today, according to this calendar online, it says it's National Red Wine Day. And also it's the Notting Hill Carnival here in the UK, in London, and this is quite a funny one. It's Crackers Over the Keyboard Day. There are just some really weird days. It's also National Bow Tie Day. So there are lots of different days throughout the year that we can use for niche ideas, but not only for niche ideas, because you can also then use these days to promote your existing books. And the calendar that I've got on the website will show you how to do that. So you can download that for free. It's on my website, but I will also leave a link underneath this video. And together with that calendar, you can just find so many niches and so many ideas for books. So the kind of books that you can create for Q4 are notebooks, journals, logbooks, children's books, diaries, planners, puzzle books, activity books, coloring books. There are lots and lots and lots of type of books that you can create, but you know how important it is to niche down. And if you can niche down and use the calendar to find your niches, to find those events that you can target your book for, then that is even better. So for example, on the 10th of January is National Houseplant Appreciation Day. So you could make a logbook where people can log in the times they have watered their houseplants, or you can make a houseplant calendar or a houseplant planner where people can plan how they look after their houseplants, and you can put little tips in that as well on how to look after houseplants, when they should water, all those kind of things. And you can even niche it even further down to a particular type of plants. And you can use it for other products as well, if you sell printables on Etsy, anything like that. And you can use it for things that are not related to the niche of your book or of your printables. If you have an Etsy shop, you could use International Observe the Moon Night for promotions, and you could say, let's hold a Moonlight Madness sale today on International Observe the Moon Night. So you can actually use those days to promote products that are not necessarily in that particular niche, but it's just an occasion to promote it. And like I said, for books, there are just so many niche ideas in there. The 15th of February is Singles Awareness Day, so that is a bit like Valentine's Day, but for people who are single. So you could have an anti-Valentine's Day book or something like that, something a bit more humorous. The 8th of March is International Women's Day, so you can create a book specifically targeting women, and you can promote this especially on International Women's Day. And there is just so much more in the calendar that you can have a look at and see what kind of ideas you can come up with. And what's the other thing that you should really bear in mind when you're making books for Q4? Q4 is a very busy period because of Christmas and because people are buying books as gifts. So we really have to think about the gift market when we are creating our books. Any book can sell as a gift, but you can then create books especially to be given as gifts. So you can make planners in all different niches that people can buy to give as gifts. And for that reason, I think it's really important that you use the keywords gift or gift idea in your 7 backend keyword slots. So don't forget to do that. Make sure that you've got the keywords there so that people can find your book as a gift idea. So if you made a planner that's targeting women, make sure that you've got gift idea for women, or gift idea for mum, gift idea for sister, all those kind of keywords, so you've got more chances of your book being found. Also make sure that you make your books well in advance for Q4, so you don't want to rush it and then publish your books in October when Q4 already started. You really want to start as far ahead as possible, ideally 3 months in advance. So whatever you can do now, that's great. Just make some really good books before Q4 and then try and leave November and December free so that you can concentrate on ads, because those months you should really spend a lot of time on checking your ads, optimizing your ads. That's if you're running ads, but if you are, then those are really busy months because you will have to optimize your ads during that time. So that's why it's important to do all the hard work before, do it before Q4, so that then you have time for optimizing your ads. So what are the main holidays for Q4? So the first one is Thanksgiving. And for Thanksgiving, you could make gratitude journals, activity and coloring books. And then there's also Veterans Day. And for that, you could make fact books and also activity books or word search books. One of the big events is, of course, Halloween. And for Halloween, you can make activity books, coloring books, word search books. There's a range of books that you can create for Halloween, even notebooks. And then there's the big one, which is Christmas. And the same thing goes for Christmas. You can make Christmas memory books, Christmas activity books, Christmas coloring books, word search books. All of those are popular for the holidays. And then what happens after Christmas? Well, after Christmas, it's the new year, and that's when people start with their new year resolutions, and they want to lose weight, they want to be fit, they want to start all these new things because it's the new year. And that's a really good time for planners, calendars, logbooks, fitness books, those kind of things. So you've got a range of books that you can create, not just for Q4, but also then for the start of the new year. So I will go into more detail in my next video, but this time I just want you to tell me what your problems are for now. What do you need to get started? What is stopping you? And that will allow me to tailor my videos so that they can help you more. All I want to do is to help you make this a really good Q4. So if you let me know what your problems are, is it that you can't start? Is it that you haven't got the ideas? Is it that you can't find a good niche? Is it that you're scared of starting? You're a bit unsure? Is it that you are not sure about what software to use? Whatever it is, make a comment under this video. Let me know what those problems are, and I will try and make more videos to help you with that. And don't forget that you can win my children's book course, my book mockup creator, and my printables mini course for the challenge. So if you want to enter the challenge, watch my previous video and comment underneath it, and that will automatically enter you in the challenge, and I will pick 3 winners on the 30th of September, which is when the challenge ends. And I will announce it in my video on Monday, the 2nd of October. Mondays is when my videos come out. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe if you want to know more about how to make money online. And also join my Facebook group, the Homeboss group, where we can discuss all of these things and where you can ask any questions, and everybody's really helpful. And we can just share our ideas. So I hope you enter the challenge. Don't forget to download the calendar, which will help you with selecting your niches and with your book promotion, and also with other products. If you're creating printables on Etsy or print on demand, that calendar will help you to really promote and help you with sales. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.